Remote control I/O and the motion button of client. In my right hand, the notebook of Windows XP is opening, and like the screen showing the FNAC 710, the server did the same, showing FNAC 710, and the server connected already. Right now on these screens, let's use the open client and type the IP address 192.168.1.111 and press OK. The client connected. Then, if we press output 1 from the server, you can see the gripper is closed and output 1 on, and shut the output 1. The gripper is open. Right. Today, we try to introduce in the parameter, we add a function announce, which is client button if 1 is on. This button, if opened on at the server, thereafter, whatever in the move mechanic area, no matter which button is pressed, will pass via the internet to the client, just similar to control the client connected with the physical machine, just equivalent to control the system beside the machine. But still, one thing we have to mention is whenever there is setting the server in Cartesian coordinates, if the Cartesian coordinate sent to the client won't move. So we're doing some handling about these, maybe check the failure operation of the operator. That means we handled the software solutions to prevent the server sent the Cartesian coordinate to the client, to let the client organized, operated in good condition. Okay, then let's showing this function. The client is always enjoying modes. Let's do the parameters, setting the client button 1 and press OK. Thereafter, the server is in the client button mode. Then, in this case, the server is enjoying coordinates, and suppose press the J1, you can see the moving on a client J2, J3, J4, J5, J6. Okay, then change the server to Cartesian coordinates: x plus, x minus, y plus, z plus, rx plus, ry plus, rz plus. So in the Cartesian, okay. Then in the server, change the setting, use robot setting, and pick choice, and select 0, the mode strings displayed on top of program, and change to select 1. Move the cursor, press the left button, and then move the cursor toward the right. You can see the client moving, turning toward the left, and in the other direction you can see the swimming of the first axis around. Then pick the select 2, so the second axis rotating, and select 3, the third axis, select 4, the fourth axis, select 5, the 5th axis, 5th axis, select 6, the 6th axis rotating, and select 8, select 9, select 10, select 11, turning around the y-axis, select 12, turning around the z arrow. Okay, and this moment, if we pick J1 plus, the server right now return is join coordinates. Immediately the select the strings disappeared. This is new automation of the program J2. Okay, this is what we try to introduce about today's lectures. Ending.